Now we understood Maketrans method. So syntax for Maketrans is string dot make trans trans and then x comma y comma z. We understand x, y, z. Let's see example. I'm taking text is equal to hello Ram. Now we have to define x. We have mentioned above. So x is what we want to replace. So I'm in string format. I am defining Ram. I want to replace this, and then y we have to define by which we want to replace. So I am defining like son, son, r y we want to replace by s, a we want to replace by o, and m we want to replace by n. We can give in any format, like we can reverse this also, but what we are giving here r and s, so it will r replaced by s. If we give here o, so it will replace by o. And then I'm writing my table. This is a variable, and I write text dot make trans x comma y. If I print my table, so what it will give? It is giving us a dictionary. We will understand dictionary later, but it will give the result in dictionary format. So to avoid this, we must use a translate method. So this dictionary will be translated in string format. So how we will do that? So I'm printing print txt dot translate. We want to translate my table, so I write here my table. Now we print again. So what it is giving? It has replaced Ram with son, and now this dictionary is replaced with this string. So this is a very interesting method. We can replace, and it is giving us in Maketrans is giving us the result in dictionary format, and then dictionary format has to be translated in string format again. Now let's see another example of this. Text equal to hello, this is Ram. In this example we take Z also. I'm copying this X, and then I'm writing Z also. Which character we want to remove? We are taking in Z. Like I want to remove H and L from text, so I'm taking HL in Z variable. So my table, again I will print, I'm taking a variable my table text dot make trans x comma y comma z. If I print my table, what it give? It is again giving a dictionary. Now want to convert this. So how we will convert? Print txt dot translate. In this we have learned two methods, make trans and translate. These both methods are used together. My table. Now what it is giving? This has replaced Ram with son, and it removed H and L. So see, H is removed, so E, and L is removed, so O is remain, and from this H is removed, so T is son. So this is the resultant of XYZ we have given here. So in this way we can use translate method and make trans method.